Head over to pilotfront.com, grab your license, and download the License Manager app. This is your command deck, minimal, elegant, and precisely tuned for your workflow. Open the License Manager. Yeah, that thing. Paste your license key. Ctrl+V like a boss. Hit Activate. Boom! Your plugin's wide awake, ready to work. This isn't activation, it's a spiritual awakening for your software. Moving to a new machine, tap Revoke Device. That will ground your old setup and send a fresh license key directly to your email. The old key is now retired and deactivated. Now log in on your new system, and you're cleared for takeoff. Stay sharp, stay smooth, and keep flying higher. I'm Captain Avia from Pilotfront Labs. Until next time.